Hey Hacksters, welcome back. Why get all this out for simple little touch-ups? If all you have is those few little things, don't waste all your time getting this all out and then have to clean it all up. Get this instead. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this, get that small scratch taken care of. Alright, I'm going to show you just how simple this is. The kit comes with a nice little draw so you can draw out the paint that you're going to need. In my case, it's this Sherwin-Williams Emerald. It then gets filled into here. It's very simple. To start pushing out, you just turn and it'll start pushing your paint out so that you get it coming out through this nice, really soft tip that after you fill, goes right in. So let's get it filled up and try it out. All you gotta do, draw out a little bit of paint, come over, fill it up. Feed in your tip. Load it up. And we're ready to paint. Let me take you over and show you how clean this comes out. All right, Hacksters, we're over here right by my dog gate, and always tend to get a scratch here from the gate hitting the edge of the wall. We got our little touch-up pen. All you gotta do is turn that feeder until you get a little bit of paint coming out. You come over, and simple, easy touch-ups. Gives a nice smooth finish. And then normally with if you're doing a full paint on this, you got to come over here, tape everything off, get your brushes out, get ready. And then afterwards, you're going to have lots of cleanup. Or in this case, all you're doing is rinsing this off, and it comes with a nice cap to recap it, so it's ready for the next time you need it. And you can all say hello to my cat, Loki, here. He's wanting to join into the party. All right. You can see, just a few minutes, we get nice, clean coverage, nice and smooth, and no more scratches. Make sure you get your set with the affiliate link below, and can't wait to talk to you next time.